say let the river flow, like surrender, some kind of wisdom. Then you're off and say no. Be a beaver and build a dam. You call it courage, I call it fear with better branding. You want the current to answer every question, and argue with the answer when it lasts. Let the river flow, now stack your sticks against the surge. Water is relentless. Water ultimately wins. Water fills every space. Water waves don't stop or restore. The river carved for canvas that God made, and still you swear you're painting on your own. Let the river play. Lose control like a Sunday sermon. Plans in columns, color-coded GS. But a string can start just like a friendship, soft on shore between two hills of maybe. Grow a little closer now, creek, shared jokes, shared grief, shared secrets. Keep showing up as a river, carrying pieces of you never played to get. Let the river split now. Be a beaver and build a dam. Pile your doubts like branches. Watch them tremble in the flood.